Hello and welcome to part 4 of this course, which includes technology in procurement, Incoterms, and procurement ethics. We will start talking about technology and procurement module, the systems that you need to understand and leverage while working as a procurement professional. It will help you to set guidelines for the transactions and processes that you handle. So, in this technology and procurement, we will discuss the importance of technology in procurement and how can you leverage and use this technology to benefit you as a procurement professional while processing your orders. We will talk about digital transformation and how you can transfer the whole procurement process, automate the process of procurement, and run paperless transactions. What is the benefit of having access to your systems from outside your organization from anywhere in the world using the cloud services? Then we discuss the enterprise resource planning, which is ERP, and how does this one big umbrella include all your organization's system. The requester has a system to raise requests, the finance team has a system to process payments, the warehouse has systems to receive orders, and you as procurement, you have a system to process the procurement transaction. How does this ERP system gather all these systems together to see the big picture from all these systems, which will help you make decisions and acquire more savings processing your procurement orders? Finally, we'll talk about the communication between you and the end user and the suppliers. What kind of technologies are out there? How can you use these systems to facilitate that communication between you and your stakeholders inside and outside your organization? Finally, we will have a summary of this module. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.